I have two main areas of research. One is to do with materials and techniques and interpretation of works of art. And the other is about best practice in terms of designing materials and also methods for conservation treatments. I'm very interested in applying non-destructive techniques, especially optical techniques, to the analysis of works of art and cultural heritage. And that can take many forms. That can be imaging, technical imaging. So, for instance, infrared reflectography. That allows you to look at the drawing underneath a painting if there's one there. Or look through layers and look at the chemical composition. Why is that important? If you have to remake 20 cloths, that's expensive. It's not sustainable either. The technologies that have developed allows us to do more non-destructively without taking samples. So where the mechanics comes in is understanding the physical nature of the materials as well as their optical properties, their colours and what they're made from, and kind of combining optical mechanics together, we can learn a lot about how they behave. This all started because I loved both art and science. I went to university to do a physics degree, and in my third year started doing optics. Then didn't know how to combine my interest in arts with science until I saw an advert in the back of the New Scientist for an MA in conservation. One of the great enjoyments of working within cultural heritage is the complexity. Very rarely is there a simple layer structure. So yes, permanent surprise. When I'm looking at any piece of cultural heritage, I'm thinking about the creator, what they were trying to achieve, and the context in which they were doing it. So you can evoke the history of people as much as the object. My name is Christina Young. I research conservation and cultural heritage at the University of Glasgow.